Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, guys, I will show you how to buy agents in Valorant. Basically, guys, there is two ways to actually get the agents. One of them is by buying them, and one of them is just playing the game. Unfortunately, the Valorant doesn't have like this kind of points. Like for example, for League of Legends, we have Blue Essence. That with them we can actually buy champions in League, and we can just go to the shop and start buying whatever champion we want. In Valorant, you can't actually do that. We have two options. The first option, which is going to your RP points and or Valorant points, so VP, and buy whatever option you will see here, so you can choose whatever you'd like. After that, after you buy these points, you can go to your agent that you are willing to buy. For example, I'm willing to buy Viper via contract, and after that, just start unlocking the tier by buying each tier by its own. In total, you will have to pay about 200, so 600 here, 600,020. Yeah, it's about 3k to actually buy a champion or buy an agent in Valorant, which is about 30 bucks per agent. So instead of that, you can actually just go to your agent and go to activate. And after you activate it, you'll only need to play a couple games. Like for example, you will only need to play a couple games and reach this level. It will not take you that long. If you were spamming the game enough, you will be able to open the champion or the agent in like 3 days, 2 days maximum. So as you can see here, there is levels. So I will show you how you can actually open this even faster. You can, as you can see, notice that there is XP here. So how you can get XP? You can just finish this daily and weekly missions by playing the game, and you will be able to finish this as fast as you can. So yeah, guys, I showed you now the two ways to actually buy the agents in Valorant. The first one, which is by using the V points, and the second by playing the game itself. So yeah, guys, that was it for today's video. If you have any other questions, please leave them in the comment section down below, and see ya in the next tutorial.